Hello everyone, we are going to talk about stereographic projection. Just brief explanation about making background for us. When we're working for stereographic projection, we should have this background. What is the stereographic projection? Which is technique used to plot structural data, and actually there are two nets I use for stereographic projection. The first one is described as wolf net, and we use, this is Lambert equal area net. In stereographic projection, we use the hemisphere. Wolf net use the upper part of the hemisphere. If you have a hemisphere, use the upper part, where Lambert or equal area net use the lower part of hemisphere. Like this is this ball we consider is hemisphere. In wolf net we use the upper part, this part of the hemisphere, where in this part of the hemisphere, where in stereographic projection in Lambert equal area net we use the lower part of the hemisphere. Okay, now in structural geology we deal with this part, where the in crystallography they deal with the upper part of the hemisphere. Therefore, we are not going to talk about this. We'll focus on the Lambert equal area net. Here we have an example of the equal area net, which consists of the outer part, this one, which is called the primitive circle. And we have this one, and all are called the great circles. And we have this one called small circles. How these great circles are formed? We imagine we are looking down in the lower hemisphere, and this is our plane. How our plane touch the ball, the lower hemisphere. If we look from up, this is our plane. When our plane is vertical, that means our plane is vertical. The first great circle, north-southern part, is formed. This is this one is formed, and when the dip of the plane is changed, for example, here 90 degrees, 70 degrees, 80 degrees, 60, 50, 30, 20, and until it became horizontal. When it became horizontal, then we will have the primitive circle is formed. And in the opposite direction also same, from here, and also the dips change, 80 degrees, and then 70, 60, so on, until we will have the primitive circle. Here we have the great circles and primitive circle are formed, and those great circle represent planes has same strike but different dip, changing of dip. Here the dip is changed, but same strike. And the small circles here represent changing in strike of the plane. We can measure the change of strike. Here same strike but different dip, and here's a change of strike. Strike here is 0. Strike here is this one, east direction 90 degrees, and strike here change till here 180, and so on. This is our stereonet as we are looking for map. North direction here, east, south, and that's it.